Here I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for digital thermohygrometer. After cleaning, visually inspect the digital thermohygrometer, means UUC, for any physical damages, missing parts, etc. Also check that its display is working properly. Keep the digital thermohygrometer for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 25 plus minus 3 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that the environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 25 plus minus 3 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 45 to 75% RH. For calibration, I am using two reference instruments, thermohygrometer and environment chamber. This is a digital thermohygrometer having two parameters, humidity and temperature. Humidity range is 10 to 95% RH and 1% RH least count. Temperature range is 0 to 50 degrees centigrade and 0.1 degrees centigrade least count. Now I will demonstrate the calibration of digital thermohygrometer. As per calibration method, for calibration of digital thermohygrometer, we need to select 5 calibration points of humidity and temperature range as approximately 20% RH, 40% RH, 50% RH, 80% RH and 90% RH. And 10 degrees centigrade, 25 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade and 50 degrees centigrade of the range of unit under calibration. Now I am starting calibration of this digital thermohygrometer. First of all, open the door. Then put the UUC in the environment chamber. Now insert thermohygrometer to environment chamber properly without any leaks from its insertion point. Ensure that the door is in locked position. Switch on the MCB and observe the temperature and humidity indicators which display the set and process values. There are three indicator lamps. First lamp labeled as DH for temperature control. Second lamp labeled as BH for humidity control. Third lamp labeled as safety for safety action. Switch on cooling switch to start a refrigerator section. Switch on light switch as and when required. For calibration of temperature and humidity, set the desired value of temperature 25 degrees centigrade and humidity 50% RH on the controller of the environment chamber. When the set temperature and humidity of 25 degrees centigrade and 50% RH is reached, allow the temperature to become stable for minimum 2 minutes. Switch on the lamp inside the environment chamber and read the values shown by UUC and thermohygrometer. Note down this reading in the worksheet. This is called first calibration point. You have to repeat for 4 more times to complete the calibration for this point. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of digital thermohygrometer for one point is completed for this training purpose. You have to do this for all the points as per the method.